So now we're looking at finding number sides of a polygon. So for number 1, it says the sum of the measures of the interior angles of a convex polygon is 900 degrees. Classify the polygon by the number of sides. So here we're just kind of going backwards from the previous problem. The previous problem, we knew how many sides it had and we found the sum of the interior angles. Now we actually know the sum of the interior angles and we have to work backwards to find what that means the number of sides is. So to do that, I'm just going to create an equation. So first I know that the sum of the angle measures, it's equal to n minus 2 times 180. But I already know that equals this 900. I am given that. Now I need to solve this equation for n. So to do that, I need to get n by itself, but I have this parentheses n minus 2 times 180 equals 900. You can go about this a couple of different ways. You could go ahead and distribute that 180 and solve it from there. However, I want to show you a quicker way. Since I have two things being multiplied together, I can just go ahead and divide out the 180 first, because these are being multiplied together. And when I do that, all I have left is n minus 2. And then 900 divided by 180, I get 5. And then I can add 2 to both sides, and I get that n is equal to 7. So my polygon has 7 sides. Now I need to figure out the name for it. This is where your notes from the other day come in handy. You need that chart. If you look at that chart, a 7-sided shape is called a heptagon. Okay, going through a similar problem. This time the sum of the measures of the interior angles is 1440, and I want to classify it by the number of sides. So I have n minus 2 times 180 equals 1440. I'm going to divide both sides by 180. And 1440 divided by 180, I get 8. Then I'm going to add 2 to both sides. And I get that n is equal to 10. And the name for a shape that has 10 sides is called a decagon. Okay, that is it for this video. You can go ahead and move on to that last one.